The stock market is unbelievably rigged, but we don't care. Why? Because it's rigged by Wall Street, and if you copy Wall Street, you can win big. You could win massively, like today. Look at this bouncing bull right here. Oh my goodness, 1512. Gonna show you in TradingView how perfect and how clean this tag was, because of course Wall Street knew what would happen next. But when we scroll down and find it, I mean, 541.86% buying and holding into the close. This was incredible. Wall Street ran the playbook. They went up, they went down, they killed people. Absolutely incredible. Reminder, you can see all of this on our website. You can get all of the updates, not the live alerts, but the updates with a free account at Rigged AI. Just click the link below. Next, let's go to TradingView and just see how perfect this alert was. The alert's triggered at 1512. That means you receive it right here at 1513. And look at this move up. I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous. You're getting $3.05, 3 full strikes in 18 minutes. That's incredible. There's nothing like it. And Wall Street knew, right? That is a perfect tag. The option is never in drawdown, straight up. And if you held it until the end, you're getting 500%. I mean, just unbelievable. They knew. It's perfectly tagged and it just goes. Absolutely amazing. And the reason why this worked so well is because Wall Street ran one of their favorite plays. They love to do it. We've seen it time and time again. We talked about it in the Discord. But we'll review the entire session so you can really see it from the perspective of it's all rigged. First, a quick shout out. Blunderbot, 13x in 12 minutes. Slim Milk, 100%. Cool. I guess that's cool. And Sister V, up $7,000 this week, and it's only Tuesday. That's amazing. Welcome to Rigged. Now, let's review the session. Going to review this in the screenshot app so I can draw lines and stuff like that to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here at the open, we come down to 519. That's right here. And you'll notice we're just chopping right there at the strike. And the way we need to think about this, whenever we see chop at a strike, we want to chase whatever way it breaks. And the great thing about this is like all of these bears that are coming in right here. So right, we have 3 bears, 1 bull when we get to the strike. So immediately, like, we need to be thinking, okay, bearish bias. Why? There's more bear alerts than there are bulls. But we're watching what happens here at 519. And as soon as this thing goes, which it does, super quick, I mean, you're getting, let's delete this. I mean, it's 1, 2, 3. You're getting 4 strikes lower. And what is that? 10:25 to a little bit after 10:45, 20 minutes. So these bears here are getting 500%. We maybe didn't want to hold it through this, right? Because when we're chopping right here, or ping pong right here at the strike, anything can happen. Open mind, right? It's the open, obviously the most volatile part of the session. If it goes up, we'll take the bull. If it goes down, we'll take the bear. And that's how we need to think about the strikes, what's happening right here. Okay? Because when you're trading these options, you want to be in a position where you get rich very quickly or you lose a little bit very quickly. Let's go to the next part. So, right, this is a 4-strike move, and then we're down here at 515. And once we get to 515, you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5, $7 down from the open, right? From the blue line all the way down to here. And this is extremely low, right? So mentally, we always need to be thinking like, hey, where am I from the blue line? Once I get beyond 3, it's high risk for bears, high risk for bulls if you're 3 up, right? So when we see, these bears come in down here, we're very afraid because it has to just rip for them to make any kind of money, and they're late, right? Even if you came in later and traded this at 517, these bears right here, because you're getting more than $2 in a very short amount of time, you're getting 100% plus. So next, we bounce. We bounce, and we actually took some of these trades and ended up getting stomped out right about here. This could have been a lot better. And obviously, it's great if you were able to hold until the end because you get a crazy move higher. But there's nothing wrong with taking this, setting a stop loss once it's in profit, and if it goes, it goes. But this is like the real lesson for today. Once we get a move down here, okay, we get a bounce. So this is like 2 massive moves, right? And if we count this from the open, it's even bigger, okay? So we're like down 7, and then we come back up 1, 2, almost 3, 2 strikes. It's very rare that this happens without a period of chop, right? Because at some point, Wall Street, the lizard people, were caught off sides in one of these. So what do? They just ping pong us right here, right at this 517 strike, right? And we're doing that from 1145 essentially until 1500. Actually, until 1515, basically, when this bull comes in. So when you're seeing this happen, right, we can trade it. Like we can absolutely, we can trade this. We can take a bear here. But if it doesn't go, just exit it quickly. Lose quickly. It's not a big deal, right? Because when it does, you're going to get rich instantly. Like that is what we're looking for when we're trading, right? So like here, giant move. If you take the bears right there, you print money, okay. And then here at the end, right? This is the one we covered in the beginning. Perfect tag. I mean, you're getting that to there and to here. But the thing is, you're only going to take this if this ping pong during 517, you're not in anything, right? You're not stuck holding calls that are down, or you're not stuck holding puts that are in a little bit in the money, right? And probably say the most important, but maybe not, maybe it is, right? We're ping-ponging at 517. We never touch 518. And then as soon as we tap 516, right here, right, what happens? We tap 516, and then, oh my gosh, it's go time. And it's perfectly tagged. And that's the market, right? It's rigged, obviously. They knew right here, and we sent the alert for it. So, like coming back to looking at all of it, right? Obviously, we could have skipped the entire day. We made money on this and we made money on this, but this was like infinitely better. Doesn't always happen, but you want to trade it every single time in case it does. The old end of day ripperoo. Incredible. Now let's look at it from the charts. All right, so back here on the app, remember, bulls above the blue line, there's more risk. Bears below, there's more risk. So when we switch to bears only, when you're seeing this come in here, you have to look at the chart and realize, oh my God, not only am I super below the blue line, but like this is late. 100% right there, 517, and you're getting that in no time at all, in 25 minutes, right? You're getting this here, 75%. It's a little bit later, and you're getting that right here. When these alerts come in, you need to know, like, you are late, and you can see it perfectly from the chart. Bear bias, follow the move. And if you are really, really good, I mean, look at the bulls. So a lot of people will ask, why don't I take this right here? 1029, 1033. Well, the answer is simple, man. Don't step in front of the train. And that means when price is going crazy, we do not try and catch a reversal. So let's look at this thing, candlestick mode. I mean, look at how big these red candles are. They're orange, but it's the same thing. We are moving. We are nuking. You need to wait and let this thing find a bottom. And it does, right? Because we hit this 515 strike, $5.58 below the blue line, and we don't break below it. But when you're looking here at 517, we just nuke. 516, we just nuke. That is it. Don't step in front of the train. Let's go back to regular. We like taking these trades. If this goes 173% to the close, and obviously we'd have no idea that would happen, right? We don't hate taking it in case it goes. But when it does not look like it's ripping to 518, just get out. Just get out, clear your mind mentally, because once that happens, you're able to jump in right here. I mean, that is a perfect alert, perfect tag. Shout out to everyone who traded this thing today, especially the new guys who thought this whole rig thing was a scam and now are printing money. We absolutely love to see it. Here, right, you've already moved up. This one, you're at 519. You kind of have to realize, like, dude, we were just at 516. We've moved up 3 strikes in like 18 minutes. Doesn't mean you want to get out of it. But hey, it's late. Let's look for a better entry. If it doesn't rip past 519, let's just wait. And you're able to catch that at the end. I mean, this thing at the end, let's just scroll down and see it. 1540, nasty drawdown, but 3x. That's the market. It's rigged. But if you're using Rigged AI, we make option flow super easy, super actionable. And as you can see, the system works. Have a great day. Come join us. $20 for 20 days. And it's like, dude, one trade can pay for a lifetime if you size up. Have a great day.